Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the two 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the base enclosure. Lift the speaker off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and set aside. Using minimal force, lift the locking bars up on the USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the USB board to the base enclosure. Lift the USB-C bracket off of the USB board and remove. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins, guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.